Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making pasta bake. So I already chopped up my veggies, and here I have some pumpkin, some pepper, onion, garlic, and chive. Is there anything else that I have in here? And some of this. I'm going to be steaming my broccoli as well, and leaving and some chicken minced chicken. So let's get into it. I have two pots on. I have in this one some oil and some salt. That's the pasta. And here I'm going to be doing the minced chicken. I'm just going to start breaking up a pot because once it starts to cook, this entire thing to just become one block of minced meat, and if you just this is how it's looking so far. It's about halfway cooked, and I've already drained the fat already. I have to drain it again. And the pasta is almost ready to go in. I'm going to transfer some minced meat from the pan to this bowl and coat the veggies. So the veggies are, I wouldn't say halfway cooked. I'm gonna add in this mixed chicken and then season and add tomato. Whatever you have on hand, you have tomato ketchup. So that's what I'll be using. That's embarrassing. Salt, not too much, and whatever seasonings you have on hand. Okay. Mix it up. I want to add about a cup of water just to continue, just so the vegetables to continue cooking, and just everything could just, all the flavors could be infused together. The pasta is almost done, so that's good. Let's go. 1 cup of water. Okay, the pasta is finished, and we're gonna add some milk or cream powder. Add it in and just mix it up. Then I'm gonna add in the pasta. It doesn't look that much appetizing, but I am definitely trusting the process. I'm gonna add the pasta in. The pasta basically sucked up all of the juice, the sauce from the meat. So I'm just going to add some cheese and stir it in. Just a little bit at a time until we get the desired cheesiness that we want. In the oven, it goes around 375 degrees for about, I want to say like a half an hour or so. Everything is cooked. You just need it to like get brown and the cheese to melt. In the meantime, while I cook, we're going to be steaming, cooking the broccoli. That's part of the broccoli, the stem. Add a little bit of oil and salt. This is some of the minced chicken oil drip. We're just gonna add it in there for added flavor. That's it. Just let it cook. It wouldn't take that long to cook. It shouldn't overcook vegetables. It's done. They're delicious. Just delicious. The pasta bake is cooking. It's turned out really, really nice. I'm also doing some plantain. Fry some plantain and the broccoli. I have to cook once everything is done, but it is looking so nice. And like how the edges are so nice and like crispy. That's how I like it. This meal was so simple yet so delicious. The pasta bake came out amazing. Everything just paired well together. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget kindness is free. Be kind to everyone you meet because you never know the impact they will have on your life. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.